Let's learn the names of Cutopia. Here we go. Panda, lion, giraffe, tiger, duck, gorilla, wolf, llama, chimpanzee, owl, orangutan, elephant, koala, cheetah, camel, cassowary, crocodile, leopard, tapir, zebra, snow leopard, turkey, otter, baboon, guinea fowl, fox, grizzly bear, African buffalo, cougar, bald eagle, hyena, hippopotamus, ostrich, goose, polar bear, sloth, cockatiel, crane, macaw, peacock, penguin, flamingo, toucan, spider monkey, stork, woodpecker, sparrow, jaguar, hornbill, Tasmanian devil, pelican, meerkat, kangaroo, musk ox, chameleon, emu, anteater, lynx, gazelle, porcupine, sea lion, seal, capybara, bonobo, bearcat, and wombat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please press the like and subscribe to our channel. Like, like, and share. Bye bye.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his